Alright. Let's let's get this party started. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey guys, HC Gamer, and we're back with some more Demon Souls. Now I have a mission. There is an early game item. Well, I say it's early game. We're going to level 4-1. It's gonna be a little bit challenging. I completely forget. Oh hey, it's the guy who kicked me into next week. Oh yeah. Take that. Whew, we can do 4 attacks now. That's a lot of souls for killing one guy. That's ooh. Hello. Alright. Hello.
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
And yes. Roll it to infinity. Yes. Roll to your doom, friend. Can I solo this guy without aggroing that other guy? Lock on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, he's walking down. Yeah. Okay. So far, so good. Let's go up here and quickly deal with this guy. Please let me lock on. Thank you. I'm killing him at range because there are more friends up here. Ah. Ooh. Oh. Gotcha. Eat my grass and move on. Oh, he got me. No. Alright. At least I'm near the beginning, though. But man, that's a... this area is a little tough. Ooh. Oh. I lost all my money. No. I'm okay. Because these guys are quite expensive. Alright, let's see if I can learn how to parry these guys. Or I could just backstab you. Yeah. And R1 for the win. Oh, gotcha. Alright. There's nothing on this corpse. Come one, come all. Yes. I should just use that on the rest of the guys up here, shouldn't I? Okay, he's got his intention, and here we are. Rock! Yes! Good, good. Log? Log. Okay. Uh-oh. There I go again. I've got to get good! There's an item that I want. Right, you know what? Is it suicide charge time? I think it's suicide charge time. After this guy comes at me. Why? I hate... Okay, so sometimes you get in range. Like, there's a certain point where you do, like, a weird with your sword. Or, like, whenever you do that, sometimes you do instead. I don't like it when the game does that. Or just die already, please. Ah! Alright. Suicide run time, here we go. I'm running, running, and running, running, and running out. And running, running, and out, and running, running, oh, please, fog wall me. No. Let's go again. Okay, practice a parry on you.
His name is John C.
Okay. I like when I start being good at video games. Hey you! Come right up. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah! Get over here. Alright. It's parry time. Ooh, yeah. Woohoo! Dodge, baby. Oh! Aww. You made me waste a grass. It does track. You're dead. Next friend. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Yeah, there you go. What? There we go. Much better. Ooh. I can get used to this. Can't say I didn't try. Come on, come on. Here we go.
Bruh.
That timing, though. But my timing was better. Oh, come the frick on, game! That was not nice of that archer. Not nice in the slightest. One left. Hey, you, with the face. Hey, you. There we go. Don't kill me, archers. That's a lot of souls I have now. That's 3 times as many souls as the very first boss I killed. Alright, we're here now. Oh, hey, buddy, what up? I'm not here for you. Not yet, anyway. I'm here for something even better. That's a one-shot! It's gonna be one of those videos, isn't it? This item will be worth all the pain and suffering that I go through here. I assure you. Bye-bye. At least cliffs are my friend. Sometimes. I think it resets. Oh no, it doesn't. Sweet. Okay, so I'm here now. Okay, we're here. This is where the item of legend is. It's just on the other side of this guy. Frickin' Sniper 20! Come on, bud. And give it. Okay. Jumping down. Goodbye, goodbye. And the Crescent Falchion. Mwah. Ignore the fact that it's +1. That's not necessarily the important part. The important part is the fact that it does magical damage. So longsword, 80 slashing, it's pretty good. Crescent Falchion, 67 slashing, it's pretty okay, but 82 magic damage? I just doubled my damage output, and there are significantly less resistances to magic weapons. In other words, I got one of the best weapons in the early game possible. Now, I will show it off on this guy. I normally would be doing like 20 points of damage to that. Come on. Jump at me. Jump at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Yeah. Hang on a sec. Come on. Do your jumpy. Do the jumpy. Yeah. Oh, he's down. And survey says exactly the same amount of XP as the first boss of the game. Oh, you gotta love it. All right, let's go up here. I want to. There's one more item in this area that's optional to get currently, but this could be cool. Hey, come on, do the roly-poly. You can do it. And all of a sudden, I'm dealing all the damage to these people. Oh, yes. Bye-bye. There is, unfortunately, no drop attack in this game. But that's alright. Survey says, try rolling. Oh, that's right. This is also a trap. You see that stupid square right there? We're gonna skip over that. Thank you. Much obliged. A key to something. Don't know what. That's a lot of free money. All of this pleases me greatly. Can I shoot you? Can I shoot you? Can I shoot you? I can shoot you from here. Goodbye. Now I gotta be ready. Oh. Hello there. Need help? Oh! Oh, a fine suggestion, friend. I didn't know about this. Find something new every day. Oh, hello. Eat grass. Oh, yo. Too close for comfort, guy. I've come too far to lose all these souls now. Oh, pumper 'em. But first, some loot. I'm in trouble. Please recommend this message. No thanks. You don't deserve my recommendation. Free money? No! No, my money! Alright. Enough of that. Alright. I don't know what to give it exactly. But there is a cool lizard down here. Hey! Gotcha. Moonshade Stone Shard. Don't know what that does, but hopefully it's helpful. Now let's go the way I've never gone before. This ought to be fun. By fun I mean probably me dying. Beware of enemies ahead, thanks. Well, okay then. You're gonna walk around the corner, bud? No? No, my money! Alright. The important thing, though, is that we got our falchion here. So now, let's do a before and after comparison here. Alright. How? This narrow corridor does not do well for my health. Alright. You annoy me. I'm leaving this place. Goodbye. I got the item I wanted. Those guys are so annoying. But now that I have this item, I can go and confidently fight the guys in this stone. These guys have high physical resistance, but no magical resist. It's pretty good. I am here now. Ugh. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Rocks. Ah, rocks. Lizard, get back here! I did it. Now's our time. Here we go. And we're in. This place does not seem very happy. And now, past it before, and here's what this does if I hit these guys normally. Yuck. Not enough damage. That's like a... I don't even know what percent that is, but it's a percentage increase of awesome sauce. Now die. Actually, I'm supposed to one-hand it, huh? There we go. Yes! You guys only give me 4 souls each. That's not cash money. What is cash money, though, is this. Does it work? Oh my god, it works. Thought I would fall to my death. I am here now. Hello. Whoa! Alright, fatty. Sit down. I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, take that. And boom, baby. And I'll take your grass. Thank you.
Nothing cool up there? Alright.
Yo! There's something down here. What? Is this a trap? Can't believe that. There was actually an item down here. Unbelievable! I did it. Now, we go out here now that it's safe and see what this guy had on him. Sticky white slime. That does, so that is like the resin equivalent. So that the resin I used for the slime, the phalanx boss was fire. That applies just pure magic damage. Beware of traitors, I agree. I'll just kill them all and be safe. Hey, you have a bag. That means you got some stuff on you. Yes. Oh, that's a lot of stuff on you. Doggo! Alright, it's just you and me, bub. Ow! I like how he rubs his belly before he goes for the kill. I should start doing that too. Alright. Look at right. Hey! You lied to me! That guy was on the left! Oh, he is on the right! Thank you! I was throwing for some hoops. Jeez. Curse you and your poise! More grass, thank goodness. We're gonna need that. Pickaxe. I'm not a the biggest fan of Minecraft, but I could play it. Or I say that. I was super into it before it was even cool. Alright, are you ready? No! That is quite annoying if I do say so myself. Come on, you know you wanna. Oh, I'm bleeding him. Nice. Magic you down. And goodbye. Alright, enough of that. More stones. Need more stones. And now we pull the lever, Crunk. Something happened. Oh hey, I did it. Progress can now be made. Rock. Alright. Loot acquired. Moving on. Get me out of here. I agree. Always trust a friend. I do. Break everything. Try ranged attack. I agree. And now you all are gonna get cooked. Bye bye. Wait. That's cheating. Hey. I know you're alive down there. Hey. That's cheating. You didn't give me your souls, cowards. 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 You go say hello to your friends, and now we move on. Ay. I don't like you guys. Can we just not do this? And by not do this, I mean I just murder you all from a distance. That'd be great. Thanks. These guys have bags! Bag! Stone bag! Bags! Bags! Dang, it's so bright out here. Burning my eyes. Oh hey, shortcut get. After I get all this junk over here. Pull the lever, Crunk. Nah, I'm okay. Do not need to go down yet. No. Be wary of hidden foe. Okay. Hello there. Goodbye there. Compared to the Skeletors, you guys are easy pickings. Check behind barrels. Ooh. Oh! Secrets. Thank you, message. Grass. Well, I mean, it's better than no grass, you know? Alright, I think I've got one shot at this. Okay, here we go. Yeet! Oh, I did it. Oh, yeah. And now we go down here. Ooh. We gotta go all the way back up. The verticality of this level is very interesting. Your camera is set very low, but then you get above where you were and you're like, oh, I was there? That was above me? Whoa. That's pretty cool. Also, the camera is working for the enemy. Alright, where to now? Oh, that's right. I see. Hey, nice kill. Nice kill.
Taste magic. Yeah, good. Anything else bad down there? Nope. Alright. Let's go. Come on.
Disintegration station. We're almost there. I can feel it. Ooh. Surprise poise. Jesus. Eat the grass. Surprise poise into death. Money, 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 money. Hey, you got rocks. I like rocks. Give it to me. Alright, add the water. Subtract the water? No, the water's going somewhere else. There we go. Oh, now do I have to deal with those lizards down below? Congratulations! Woo! Alright, we've got 6 minutes left in the video. Or rather, 6 minutes left on the PlayStation controller thinger. Did you think there'd be a hint here? No. I expected nothing less. Always trust pure luck. Oh. Shoot! Hey. Hit the barrels. Alright. Got him. Alright, and we're through. Oh, where am I now? Loot, loot. Get good. I agree with this statement. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of how they portray this. Hey! No. Bye-bye. Be wary of enemy traps. This is it. It's safe here. I don't trust you. Spider stone. Ugh. Don't like it when things are named after spiders. Alright, here we are. 2 minutes 30 seconds left. Can I beat the boss in that time frame? Let's find out. Loot before boss. I don't like spider stone, but alright, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Are you ready? Woo! Ow. There we go. Alright. Uh-oh! Gotta go, gotta go. Oh, yeah. Whew, we made it. And now we're back to square one. Okay. We're coming downtown, boy. Just hang in there. Ow. Let me grass up for a sec. Grass into damage your face. Down, pound. Alright. Here we go. Five seconds left in the recording. No! We did it! Demon vanquished! I got my body back. That won't last long. It is loot time. Take the spider soul. And back home we go. Whew. So, yeah. That was some Demon Souls. If you enjoyed what you saw, feel free to leave a like. Oh, thanks for waiting for me. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya!